Dear guests and partners, today I will introduce the company, export equipment, market expansion, development planning in 5 dimensions. I will bring you into Shanghai Zhihong to feel its growth trajectory, core values and infinite possibilities in the future. Shanghai UPG International Industry Trade Group Co. Limited, formerly Shanghai UPG International Trade Co. Limited, founded in March 2003, takes up group as platform and trademark, integrates more than 50 domestic brand enterprises in the upstream and downstream industry chain, and expands the international market together with the professional advantages of products, the complementary advantages of complete sets of products and the integrated advantages. International market. Now we have more than 60 employees, and our import and export products are mainly involved in printing, packaging, rubber and plastic, food and pharmaceutical processing, digital printing and consumables and other related fields. The products are exported to more than 100 countries in 5 continents, of which we have established stable and long-term partnership with agents in more than 50 countries. In the future, it will become an integrated international printing and packaging machinery manufacturing and trading base. Shanghai UPG International Industry Trade Group Co. Limited, founded in March 2003. Participation in Drupa for the first time under the name of UP Group in 2004. First domestic debut at the China Print Show in 2005. The beginning of packaging and plastics machinery business in 2011. Establishment of Hong Kong UPG International Trade Co. Limited in March 2022. Establishment of Hainan UPG International Trade Co. Limited in May 2023. Establishment of Shanghai UPG Jet Digital Technology Co. Limited and Shanghai UPG Met Packaging Material Co. Limited. In August 2023, May 2024 changed its name to Shanghai Zhihong International Industry and Trade Group Co. Limited. With the strong support of member companies of UPG Group and partners all over the world, Shanghai UPG has formed a corporate culture with its own characteristics after 20 years of development. The mission of the company is focusing on the profession, upgrading the expertise, satisfying the customers, building the future. The vision of the company is a brand supplier to provide professional solutions for customers in printing, packaging and plastic industries. Our core value is sincerity, efficiency, profession, pragmatism, innovation, valuation. We are adept at operations and management, deeply knowledgeable about our products and dynamic teams. Strong willingness and ability to learn to promote the company's continuous knowledge iteration. The tradition of bringing up the new with the old sets the stage for newcomers to grow. Professional talent team for the company's long-term stable development has laid a solid foundation. The core export products of the enterprise cover 5 categories of equipment and consumables: printing equipment, packaging equipment, plastic machinery, digital equipment, and printing and packaging consumables. Among them, the printing equipment segment specifically includes pre-press equipment, flexographic plate making machine, flexographic plate processor, CTP plate making machine, CTP plate processor. In print equipment includes offset presses, gravure presses, iron presses, label printing presses, screen printing presses. Post-printing equipment, foil stamping and die cutting machine, folder gluing machine, varnishing machine, laminating machine, paper cutting machine, card slitting machine. Slitter and cutter machine, slitting and rewinding machine, gluing machine, book binding machine, hard case machine, coil binding machine. The main exports of packaging equipment include corrugated production lines, printing and slotting machines, paper laminating machines, paper bag machines, paper cup machines, lunchbox machines, and so on. The main export products of plastic machinery and equipment include film blowing machines, bottle blowing machines, injection molding machines, laminating machines, slitting machines, bag making machines, and so on. In terms of digital printing equipments, we provide web digital printing presses and sheet-fed digital printing presses, which can satisfy different scales and needs of printing operation scenarios. Label printing equipment, including water-based label printers and UV label printers, in order to adapt to the diverse requirements of the label printing process. Provide digital varnishing and hot stamping machine and UV localized varnishing and hot stamping machine to enhance the texture and artistic value of products. Carton printing machine and its supporting production line, realizing the integrated production process from printing to subsequent processing. In the field of digital cutting equipment, we have digital carton cutter, label cutter, digital die cutter, and laser cutter, which can meet the demand for precise cutting of cartons, labels, and other types of materials. The main export printing and packaging consumables are CTP plate, flexoplate, rubber blanket, BOP film, PE lamination paper, self-adhesive paper, ink, adhesive, and so on. The market expansion business covers 4 main segments: international exhibitions, domestic exhibitions, website promotion, and multi-platform promotion strategy. In terms of international exhibitions, we actively participate in more than 20 famous exhibitions such as Drupa International Printing Exhibition, Interpack International Packaging Exhibition, Chicago International Printing Exhibition in the United States, covering the Brussels Label Fair in Belgium, Milan Packaging Fair in Italy, Packaging and Printing Fair in Russia, as well as professional exhibitions in Thailand, South Korea, Pakistan, Indonesia, Vietnam, Egypt, Dubai, South Africa, and many other countries and regions. In terms of domestic exhibitions, we appeared in important industry events such as Beijing International Printing Exhibition, Guangdong International Printing Exhibition, China International All Printing Exhibition, Guangzhou South China Exhibition, and Swap Packaging Exhibition. In terms of website promotion, we continue to optimize and update our official website, which effectively enhances our brand image and market competitiveness, and creates more business opportunities for exploring overseas markets. In addition, we have created 8 distinctive foreign trade professional independent websites, which provide many favorable conditions for overseas customers to deeply understand the company's various products and services. At the same time, with the help of e-commerce platforms such as Made in China, Global Sources, and Google search engine, we have further clarified our goals for overseas market expansion and gained new momentum for development. The enterprise has made a comprehensive and detailed division for its development plan, focusing on the 4 core boards of partner relationship maintenance, cooperation model innovation, and user group positioning and development goal setting. At present, the enterprise has built an extensive cooperation network covering more than 50 domestic famous brand enterprises and overseas agents, and successfully expanded more than 100 international customers, and has an elite service team consisting of more than 60 professionals. With 20 years of experience in the field of foreign trade, the enterprise has grown into a benchmark brand enterprise capable of providing a full range of industry solutions, and the strong support of these partners constitutes our solid backing. In the process of cooperation with foreign companies, enterprises follow a set of rigorous and efficient steps. First of all, through in-depth exchanges, the 2 sides reached a preliminary consensus on cooperation. Then, according to the customer's needs to provide detailed business information and in-depth discussions on product technology, and at the same time, a comprehensive assessment of both sides of the creditworthiness of both parties. On this basis, the signing of a legally binding strategic framework agreement A clear definition of the rights and obligations of the two sides. After that, we will implement the marketing strategy through online and offline diversified channels. Finally, we will review the results of the cooperation regularly, sum up the lessons learned, and reach a consensus to build a long-term and stable win-win cooperation relationship together. The services provided by the enterprise are ultimately aimed at a wide range of user groups, and its business scope is wide, deeply involved in printing, digital, packaging, daily chemicals, pharmaceuticals, food and rubber and plastic industries. The enterprise sets clear and ambitious development goals, aiming to improve product quality standards by integrating domestic quality resources and strictly controlling production processes. At the same time, it continues to increase investment in technological research and development, accurately capturing changes in international market demand and continuously launching new products and innovative solutions that meet high international standards in order to strengthen its competitiveness in the international market. In addition, the enterprise is also committed to establishing a closer strategic alliance with its partners, deepening the sharing mechanism of market information and customer needs, integrating the advantageous resources of both sides, jointly exploring innovative modes of cooperation, researching and developing products that are more in line with the market demand and customers' expectations, and through multi-channel promotional strategies to continuously enhance the visibility and share of the cooperative products in the international market. In terms of talent strategy, the enterprise attaches great importance to the construction and development of the staff team through the systematic professional training and incentive mechanism, comprehensively improve the team's marketing and service capabilities to create a high-quality, professional team of elites to win the trust of customers with excellent service quality, and to flexibly respond to the ever-changing market and customer needs, and to promote the enterprise to achieve sustainable development. At the same time, the enterprise actively explore and practice new reciprocal business model combined with market demand and its own advantages, is committed to building a new business ecosystem of innovation, efficiency and win-win situation to open up a broader space for the development of partners and customers, and jointly create a win-win situation for the bright future. Thank you for your watching.